Dear students, in this session we are going to see few more formulae. Sin alpha plus beta, alpha plus 2 beta, sin alpha plus n minus 1 beta equal to sin n beta by 2 by sin beta by 2 sin alpha plus n minus 1 beta by 2. So here the angles are in AP. The common difference is beta. Here n minus 1 beta, but in this series we have n terms. So sin n beta by 2 by sin beta by 2 into sin alpha plus n minus 1 by 2 into beta. Here you have to put this bracket. Next formula, cos alpha plus beta, cos alpha plus 2 beta plus etc. plus cos alpha plus n minus 1 into beta equal to sin n beta by 2 divided by sin beta by 2 cos alpha plus n minus 1 beta by 2. Next, so you have to remember all formulae without failure, then only you can apply this kind of sums. Trigonometric equations involving trigonometric ratios are called trigonometric equations. The equations containing trigonometric functions of angles are called trigonometrical equations. The set of values which satisfy the given equation are called the solutions. Principal solution. The solutions of a trigonometric equation the variable x for which 0 less than less than 2 pi are called principal solutions. General solution. The solution consisting of all possible Solutions of trigonometrical equation generalized by means periodicity periodicity of trigonometric functions is called the general solution. General solution of elementary trigonometric equations. If sin theta equal to 0, theta equal to n pi, n belongs to integers. Cos theta equal to 0 implies theta equal to tan theta equal to 0 means theta equal to n pi, n belongs to z. So we can say n belongs to z. Z means integers, or n belongs to I. I take n belongs to I. I means integers. Sin theta equal to sin alpha implies theta equal to n pi plus minus 1 whole power n into alpha. N belongs to I. Cos theta equal to cos alpha, which implies theta equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha, n belongs to I. Tan theta equal to tan alpha, which implies theta equal to n pi plus alpha, n belongs to I. sin square theta equal to sin square alpha, which implies theta equal to n pi plus or minus alpha n belongs to I. Cos square theta equal to cos square alpha, which implies theta equal to n pi plus or minus alpha n belongs to I. Tan square theta equal to tan square alpha, which implies theta equal to n pi plus or minus alpha n belongs to I. Cos theta equal to cos alpha and sin theta equal to sin alpha, which implies theta equal to 2n pi plus alpha n belongs to I, where alpha is the principal value in each case. Examples. The most general value of theta which satisfies both the equation sin theta equal to minus 1 by 2 and tan theta equal to 1 by root 3 is option A. N pi plus pi by 6, option B. Option C. Two n pi plus 1 by 6, option D. Two n pi plus or minus pi by 6. Sin theta equal to minus 1 by 2, which means, so this is negative. Sin 7 pi by 6, sin 210 minus 1 by 2. Sin 11 pi by 6 also minus 1 by 2. Tan theta equal to 1 by root 3, which implies first quadrant tan pi by 6 equal to 1 by root 3. Third quadrant 30 degree. Tan 7 pi by 6 equal to 1 by root 3. You see 7 pi by 6, here also 7 pi by 6. This is a common value. Common solution is 7 pi by 6. General value of theta is 2n pi plus 7 pi by 6. N belongs to I. So option C is correct in this case. Sin theta equal to 1 means theta equal to 2n pi plus pi by 2. N belongs to I. Cos theta equal to 1 means theta equal to 2n pi. N belongs to I. Tan theta equal to means theta equal to n pi plus pi by 4. N belongs to I. Sin theta equal to minus 1. Theta equal to two n pi minus 5 bit n belongs to I. Cos theta equal to minus 1, which implies theta equal to that is odd multiple of pi, 2n plus 1 into pi. Different methods solving. Trigonometric equations. First type, solution of equations by factoring. Solve 2 cos x cos 2x equal to cos x. 2 cos x cos 2x minus cos x equals 0. Cos x into 2 cos 2x minus 1 equals 0. Cos x is 0. Or 2 cos 2x minus 1 equals 0. Cos x equals 0 implies टू n plus 1 into pi by 2. N belongs to I. Or x equal to 2n into pi by 2 plus pi by 2 n belongs to I. N pi plus, if you simplify, n pi plus pi by 2 n belongs to I. So x equal to, one type of solution is n pi plus pi by 2. Two cos 2x minus 1 equals 0. Cos 2 cos 2x equal to 1. Cos 2x equal to 1 by 2. That is cos pi by 3. Cos 3 equal to cos alpha. Theta equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha, that is pi by 3. Since cos theta equal to cos alpha means theta equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha. X equal to n pi plus or minus pi by 6. N belongs to I. So in this case, solution n pi plus pi by 2, n pi plus or minus pi by 6, n belongs to I. solution of equations reducible to quadratic equations. Solve 3 cos squared x minus 10 cos x plus 3 equal to 0. Take cos x equal to t. 3 t squared minus 10t plus 3 equal to 0. 3 into 3, 9. Minus 9. Minus 9 to minus 1 plus 9. Minus 9 plus minus 1 minus 10. So minus 9 by 3 minus 1 by 3. So minus 3 minus 1 by 3. That means t minus 3 into 3t minus 1 equal to 0. T equal to 3. 3t minus 1 equal to 0. That is t equal to 1 by 3. T equal to 3 means cos x equal to 3. Which is not valid since modulus of cos x less than or equal to 1. The maximal will be 1, minimum value will be minus 1. Therefore, 3 is not possible. T equal to 1 by 3 implies cos x equal to 1 by 3. So x equal to, bring this side. If you bring cos this side, cos inverse of 1 by 3. Or you can say cos inverse of 1 by 3. 1 by 3 can be written as cos inverse of 1 by 3. X equal to 2n pi plus cos inverse of 1 by 3 n belongs to I. Cos inverse of theta equal to theta. Using this formula, this value can be written as cos inverse of 1 by 3. So 2n pi plus cos inverse of 1 by 3 n belongs to I. Solution of homogeneous equations. And equations reducible to homogeneous forms. Solve six sin square x minus sin x cos x minus cos square x equal to 3. Sin square power 2, cos square power 2, 1 plus 1 2, here we have 3. So 6 sin square x minus sin x cos x minus cos square x minus 3 equal to 0. Six sin square x minus sin x cos x minus cos square x minus 3 into so sin square x plus cos square equal to 1. So 6 sin square x minus sin x cos x minus cos square x minus 3 sin square x minus 3 cos square x equal to 0. Six sin square x minus 3 sin square x. Three sin square x minus sin x cos x minus 4 cos square x equals 0. Divided by cos square x. Dividing by cos square x, we get so sin square by cos square, that is tan square x minus sin x by cos x by cos square x. Three tan square x minus sin by cos tan x minus 4 equal to 0. Three into minus 4. So tan square x tan x minus 4. This is quadratic in terms of tan x. Minus 4 into 3, minus 4 by 3, 3 by 3. So 3 tan x minus 4 into tan x plus 1 equal to 0. Three tan x equal to minus 4 equal to 0. Tan x plus 1 equal to 0. Tan x equal to 4 by 3. Tan x equal to minus 1. Tan x equal to 4 by 3 equal to tan of 4 by 3, that is x equal to tan of 4 by 3 plus n pi. N belongs to I. Tan x equal to minus 1. Tan minus pi by 4. X equal to n pi minus pi by 4. N belongs to I. Solving equations by introducing auxiliary arguments. Equations of the form a sin x plus b cos x equal to c is solved by dividing two sides of the equation by root of a square plus b squared and substituting a by root of a square plus b squared equal to cos theta and b by root of a square plus b squared equal to sin theta. solve sin x plus cos x equal root 2. Here root 2 into dividing by root 2 on both sides. 1 by root 2 sin x plus 1 by root 2 cos x equal to 1. Sin x cos 45, cos x sin 45 equal to 1. Sin a cos a plus cos a sin b equal to 1. Sin x plus pi by 4 equal to 1. We know that sin theta equal to 1 means theta equal to 2n pi plus pi by 2, which means x plus pi by 4 equal to 2n pi plus pi by 2, n belongs to I, which implies x equal to 2n pi plus pi by 2 minus pi by 4. Two n pi plus pi by 4, n belongs to I. Solving equations by transforming a sum of trigonometric functions into product. Cos 3x plus sin 2x minus sin 4x equals 0. Cos 3x plus sin, you know, have sin c plus sin d, sin c minus sin d equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. Applying this, 2 cos 2x plus 4x by 2 sin 2x minus 4x by 2 equal to 0. cos 3x plus 2 cos 3x minus 2x by 2 minus x equals 0. Cos 3x minus 2 cos 3x sin x equals 0. Since sin of minus theta equal to minus sin theta, cos 3x into 1 minus 2 sin x equals 0. Cos 3x equals 0. 1 minus 2 sin x equals 0. Cos 3x equal to 0 equal to 3x equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. X equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 6. N belongs to I. That is 2n pi by 6 plus pi by 6, n pi by 3 plus pi by 6, n belongs to I. One minus 2 sin x equals 0. 1 equal to 2 sin x. Sin x equal to 1 by 2, that is sin pi by 6. X equal to n pi plus n belongs to I. Therefore, among this, the common solution, this solution will be included in this. So, answer n pi by 3 plus pi by 6, n belongs to I. Taking different values of n, you will get set of values. Here applying n different values. So those values are included this one. So common value will be n pi plus pi by 6, n belongs to I. solving equations by transforming product of trigonometric functions into sum. Previously we transformed sum into product, here transforming product into sum. Solve sin 5x cos 3x equal to sin 6x cos 2x. 1 by 2 into 2 sin 5x cos 3x, 1 by 2 into 2 sin 6x cos 2x. Multiply and divide by 2. This will be cancelled. 2 sin A cos B. Sin A plus B plus sin A minus B, which implies sin 5x plus 3x plus sin 5x minus 3x equal to sin 6x plus 2x plus sin 6x minus 2x. Sin 8x sin 2x equal to sin 8x plus sin 4x. Sin 4x minus sin 2x equal 0. Sin C minus sin D. 2 cos C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. So sin C minus sin D equal to 2 cos C plus D by 2 sin C minus D by 2. 2 cos 3x sin x equal 0, which implies cos 3x equal 0 or sin x equal 0. 3x equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. Here x equal to n pi. X equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 6, n belongs to I. X equal to n pi, n belongs to I. X equal to 2n pi by 6 plus pi by 6, n belongs to I. X equal to n pi by 3 plus pi by 6, n belongs to I. X equal to n pi plus pi by 6, x equal to n pi. N belongs to I. So in this session we have discussed how to solve trigonometric equations. Few more methods still in this topic that can be covered in the next session. Thank you.